Ducati has continued its push into the off-road market with the launch of the all-new Desmo250 MX, a lightweight motocross machine that arrives just 1 year after the debut of the 450 MX. Designed to compete in the fiercely contested 250cc class, the new model combines cutting-edge technology with Ducati's trademark Desmo valve system. At the heart of the Desmo250 MX sits an entirely new 249cc single-cylinder engine, producing a claimed 44.5 horsepower at 12,500 RPM and 21 pound-feet of torque at 8,800 RPM. Rather than chasing headline peak power figures alone, Ducati says its engineers focused on delivering a broad, usable torque curve across the rev range. What truly sets the engine apart is its remarkable 15,000 RPM rev limit. Thanks to titanium intake valves, steel exhaust valves, and the precision of Ducati's Desmo valve actuation, the company claims the Desmo250 MX achieves a class-leading engine speed benchmark. The engine's architecture shares some DNA with the Panigale V4R superbike, including the same 81 by 48.4 mm bore and stroke dimensions. Ducati also says several advanced technical solutions have been carried over from its flagship race-bred machine. Fuel delivery comes via a 44 mm Mikuni throttle body, while a newly developed exhaust system is designed to meet international motocross noise regulations. Power is sent through a 5-speed gearbox equipped with an upshift-only quickshifter. A hydraulically operated 7-plate Brembo clutch with a disc spring completes the drivetrain package. The Desmo250 MX uses the same perimeter frame concept and aluminum swing arm layout as its larger 450cc sibling, although stiffness characteristics have been revised to suit the smaller machine. Suspension duties are handled by Showa components front and rear, featuring Kashima-coated internals and model-specific damping settings intended to maintain balance under braking, acceleration, and cornering. Ducati claims a wet weight of just 227 pounds without fuel, making the bike one of the lighter offerings in the category. Standard equipment includes Pirelli Scorpion MX32 tires, with a narrower 100 by 19 on 19-inch rear tire selected to enhance agility and direction changes. Braking hardware is shared with the 450 MX, consisting of a Brembo system paired with a 260 mm Galfer front disc and a 240 mm rear disc. Seat height is listed at 38.2 inches. Perhaps the biggest talking point is the electronics package, an area where Ducati is aiming to distinguish itself from traditional motocross rivals. Adapted from the Desmo 450 MX, the system includes 2 engine maps adjustable through Ducati's X-Link app, 3-level traction control, 2-level engine braking control, and 3-stage launch control. Ducati's patented traction control system draws directly from the company's MotoGP and World Superbike racing experience. Unlike conventional systems that simply reduce power when slip is detected, Ducati traction control measures actual rear wheel spin and adjusts power delivery accordingly, resulting in what the manufacturer describes as a more natural and progressive intervention. Riders can also disable the system entirely if preferred. Another innovative feature is Ducati Corsair's engine stress monitoring algorithm. The software continuously calculates an engine stress index and uses that data to determine appropriate maintenance intervals, which can be monitored through the X-Link app. The idea is simple. Heavily raced machines receive more frequent servicing recommendations, while recreational riders can extend maintenance intervals. Service schedules are divided into 2 categories. The MID service includes a valve clearance inspection at 45 hours and piston replacement between 45 and 60 hours depending on engine stress levels. A full service involving a complete engine rebuild is recommended between 90 and 120 hours, again based on actual usage data. Priced at $10,595, the Desmo250 MX is scheduled to arrive in North America this August, with global markets following shortly afterwards. The launch marks another significant step in Ducati's rapidly expanding off-road strategy. Following the arrival of the Desmo 450 MX and the road-legal 450 EDS Enduro model, the new 250 broadens the Italian manufacturer's appeal to a wider range of motocross riders. With MotoGP-derived electronics, patented traction control technology, and predictive maintenance systems rarely seen in the motocross segment, the Desmo 250 MX could offer a unique alternative to established rivals, provided buyers are prepared to pay the premium that comes with the Ducati badge.